Very bright lightning, loud rumbles of thunder, probably scaring a lot of you out there, but there's no severe thunderstorm warnings for the area. Also, I want to let you know there's no tornado warnings or tornado watches for the area. That's a big question on everybody's mind. Worried about the tornado threat. It's not there with these storms. It's heavy rain and a lot of lightning and thunder. So that's what we're dealing with. So flooding will be the biggest concern, and maybe a little bit of some small hail and some wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. So we're going to continue to watch these storms for you as they race quickly. What I'm going to do is get an idea of some tracks here. So I'm going to take off a few things and add a couple things, and then I'll get you back to regular programming. But first, I just want to put on a couple of storm tracks here and get an idea of the speed and the movement of some of these thunderstorms. So let's take a look at the speed on this one right here, and it is moving east at 29 miles per hour. So what I'm going to do is put a track on that and get an idea of where it could be headed here. 29 miles per hour. There we go, moving through the Marlin area at 2:02 in the morning, so about the next 16 minutes. And then there you can see Alto Springs, Thornton at 2:42, so it's going to be moving quickly to the east. Again, that's at 29 miles per hour. So a lot of the rain there along the I-35 corridor, as we look at the latest loop, it is starting to push to the east. So we still have some heavy rain right there in I-35 between Eddy and Troy. And just to the south of Lorena, we're getting some of that heavy rain. But in the Waco area, the heavy rain is really starting to die down. It's not as intense. And let's throw the lightning up there and get an idea of what's going on in the Waco area with the lightning. You can see the lightning is not as frequent. If you look off to the east, though, out towards Hallsburg, you can see a lot of lightning that direction. Maybe a little lightning up towards Elmont. Up to the north right there on I-35. It looks like there's some lightning as well. So we're going to continue to watch these storms for you. But again, there's nothing severe. It's just heavy rain and also a lot of lightning and thunder. So it might be scary, but at least we're below severe criteria. We're not talking about damaging wind gusts over 60 miles per hour with any of these storms. And we're not talking about large hail over an inch in diameter with these storms. And then also we're not talking about any tornadoes with any of these storms. Just a lot of lightning and some heavy rain. So I'll continue to watch the radar for you throughout the morning. I'll keep you updated as needed. And you can always tune to KCN HD News for the very latest, and also our iHeart radio stations as well for the very latest on what's going on across the area. So we've got the heavy thunderstorms, eastern Bell County, Falls County, and also throughout Limestone County, continuing to push towards the east and southeast. And then another batch of thunderstorm activity off to the west into Mills, Hamilton, and Comanche County. And that activity is also pushing to the east. So it looks like that could be impacting parts of Lampasas and Coryell County here over the next couple of hours. But stay tuned to KCN HD News. I'll continue to monitor the radar for you throughout the morning, and I'll keep you advised if any severe weather breaks out.